In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a captivating typewriter text effect to your videos using CapCut. This effect is a fantastic way to bring an engaging and dynamic element to your videos, capturing your audience's attention right from the start. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll need to open CapCut on your device and begin a brand new project. Once you have your workspace ready, it's time to get the video you want to edit onto your timeline. Import your video file and drag it onto the timeline to start working with it. This is your canvas where all the editing magic happens. Now that your video is in place, it's time to add some text. Navigate to the top menu and you'll find an option labeled Text. Click on that and select Add Text. This will create a text box on your video, ready for you to type in. Think about the message or information you want to convey and type it into the text box. Don't forget that you can move and position this text anywhere on the screen to best suit your video's aesthetic and to ensure it's clearly visible. Once your text is ready and in place, you want to grab your viewer's attention with some animation. With the text box still selected, look over to the right-hand panel where you'll find the Animation tab. Click on it to reveal a variety of animation options. Under the In category, scroll until you come across the Typewriter effect. This is the star of today's tutorial. Select it and watch as your text starts to animate in a stylish, typewritten manner. It gives that classic feel, as if the words are typing out themselves, adding a dynamic flair to your message. To fine-tune the Typewriter effect, you'll need to adjust the duration slider. This controls how quickly each letter appears on the screen. Whether you want a slow, suspenseful reveal or a quick, snappy introduction, the duration slider gives you control over the pacing of the text animation. Before wrapping things up, take a moment to preview your work by hitting the play button on your timeline. This allows you to see how everything flows together, making sure the text appears exactly as you envisioned it. If anything seems off, or you want to experiment further with timing or placement, now's the time to make those final tweaks and adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully created a typewriter text effect in CapCut. It's a great way to add interest and professionalism to your videos, and with a bit of practice, you'll be able to integrate all sorts of text animations to enhance your storytelling. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.